All right, we are doing problem number 2 from section 9.6, and it's asking us if inflation is expected to increase, what will happen to the nominal interest rate? Briefly explain. So I've written out a very important formula, which is that R, the real interest rate, equals I, the nominal interest rate, minus inflation, which is denoted as pi. If this is, a new way of writing it, then think nothing of it, but it's typically, standard to say that R is real interest rate, I is nominal, pi is inflation. So given this formula, which is, a very important macroeconomic formula, if inflation is rising, what's happening to nominal interest rate? If inflation is increasing, in order to keep R the same, well, I is going to have to be increasing by the same, right? So if inflation is expected to increase, lenders will increase nominal interest rate. We can also think about this logically, since that's mathematically, but we can also think about it logically, since banks, lenders, they all want to keep real interest rate unchanging, right? I mean, they don't want it to be ebbing and flowing by huge amounts due to changes in inflation. So they're going to just need to change the nominal interest rate by the same amount to offset it. So if they want to have a 3% real interest rate and they expect 4% inflation, then they're going to charge a 7% nominal interest rate in order to account for that. So the answer to this is inflation. If inflation is expected to increase, nominal interest rate increases.